I know it's not my assigned seat, but it's kind of my official seat, and I just think that...
Hold up. We have a cheese club?
Yeah, it's one of the most popular clubs on campus. Just hang around and eat cheese.
That sounds awesome. Are there other cool clubs like that?
Yeah, a ton. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like soccer.
You could join the club soccer team.
Cool. What other clubs are there?
Well, there's club volleyball and CrossFit club.
Wow, that's a lot of sports.
What hobbies do you have?
Well, I like video games.
We have a club for that.
Cool. Oh, and I also like to play guitar.
You could join the guitar club.
Do they have a photography club?
We do. Oh, and you'd love stand-up club.
Oh, yeah? What's the deal with bear cats? Are they a bear? Are they a cat? We're just making up animals now?
Hey, you still with me?
Yeah, that's just a lot of clubs.
Oh, I'm just getting started.
There's also Binghamton Bookworms, WHRW, that's our campus radio station, Dickinson Community Players. I already mentioned Cheese Club.
Yeah. Keep going.
Then there's Nitwits, Gardening Clubs, Skate Club, Board Game Club, Comic Book Club, Outdoors Club, Binghamton Science, Ultimate Frisbee, Club Tennis, Art, Math Club.
So, what do you think? Any clubs that you're into?
All of them. Sign me up. I gotta join a cheese club now.
That's a good idea.